Hi, and welcome to KRankin's Kitchen and Cooking with KRankin. My name is KRankin, and we are going today to be cooking a recipe from the Pampered Chef catalog. If you go on to pamperedchef.com, you will be able to find this recipe. It is called Hawaiian Fried Cauliflower Rice. So it's not really rice, it's cauliflower rice, and it's low carb. If you are trying to watch what you're eating and lower your carb intake. So the ingredients is some cut up ham. So I got a ham steak and I just cut that into chunks. We've got some shredded carrots. Just a little bit of carrots go in. We've got of course the rice. You can buy riced cauliflower at Sobeys that's frozen. So I find that if I buy fresh riced cauliflower, if I do it myself, I might not use it all at once, and it goes to waste. So these are really handy to have in your freezer for when you want to make this recipe. We've got some peas, we've got some pineapple, green onion, garlic, and ginger, and a little bit of soy sauce. So we're going to do this in the Pampered Chef non-stick 12-inch pan, and we'll do that on the stove. So let's go to the stove. So this is the 12-inch non-stick pan, and we're just going to turn the burner on here, and I'm going to use the oil spritzer, which is so handy to have, because you're using your own oil and you're not using any of the chemicals that are in the canned aerosols. So we're just going to spritz that with oil a little bit, and we're going to put in our ham. We'll cook the ham, and then once the ham's done, the recipe calls to take the ham out, but I don't normally do that, so I'll leave it in. So we're using fresh ginger in this recipe, and we're going to just grate it very finely. And this is the Pampered Chef Microplane very fine grater, and it's very simple to use. It's just you hold it over the bowl and you grate. I've got because ginger is so it's actually fairly fresh, and it's wet, so it's kind of sticking to the back. But if you have one of these, how you close it is you move the handle. If you can see that the handle is moving when I pull it towards me, and when you pull it towards yourself, it moves. So I could grate like this as well, like that, or I can switch it to right on top of the bowl, like that. So there is another grater as well that's it's thicker. It's a thicker grate, and it works the same way. And now this recipe calls for the ginger. It also calls for garlic. This is our garlic press. We're going to press the garlic right into the bowl. And the garlic press comes with this little handy tool that you can cut the garlic off. And then when you're done, I'll show you that in a second once I do my second clove. These teeth that are on the bottom fit directly in here, so this helps you clean it very easily. These will fit right into those holes, if they will, I'm sure, like that. So you can then get the remnants out. Now you can do this with the peel on. I took the peel off, but you can do it with the peel on, and then it all just comes out, and it's easy clean. And then on the handle, you can store it like that, so you don't lose it. We're going to add the garlic and the ginger. And I've got some green onions that I've chopped up. Let that cook for about 45 seconds, a minute. So we're going to add 1 cup of frozen peas. The equivalent of 2 carrots, so I'm just going to put a handful in, maybe 2. Put the riced cauliflower in. Now because this is frozen, you're going to have to kind of fry this so that the liquid from the frozen vegetables evaporates, because you don't want it, you don't want a liquid in there. You kind of want it to brown a bit, so you're going to need to fry this down just until it starts to brown and all the liquid's gone. Then what will happen is that we'll put some eggs in here, and to make it kind of a classic fried rice, and then we'll put the pineapple in and the soy sauce in at the end. So we'll let this just cook up. So now this is cooked down. Everything's heated through, because really there's not a whole lot to cook except the ham is cooked, the rice is fluffy, or the cauliflower rice is fluffy, and the peas are frozen. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little bit of a well. I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit. Make a little bit of a well in the middle, and we're going to crack 2 eggs in here. We're going to let them sit a little bit in the middle and let them kind of firm up, because what we want to do is we want to have little bits of egg throughout here. We're going to put a can of pineapple tidbits in here. Mix that in. It looks so good. And I'm just going to take some soy sauce. and just kind of put a little bit on. Now I'm going to let this kind of come up to temperature again with the egg and the pineapple in it, and that should be ready to serve in about 5 minutes. Okay, so now our Hawaiian cauliflower fried rice is complete, and we'll just put this on the plate, and we'll get our favorite taste tester, Vicky, to come over here and give it a taste. Oh, you're gonna taste it right out of the
Oh, I didn't even see the
plate. That's okay.
I didn't see it. It's good. I like it.
Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have anything in particular you want me to do a video on, please let me know. If you'd like to host a party or order anything, you can find me at www.pamperedchef.ca/pws/Crankin's Kitchen, and that link will be down below, as well as the recipe. So have a great day. Thank you.